watching. See how he's watching his wheel and then turning the steering wheel to steer those.
He went in there and nailed it the first go round.
Stop it there. You pull forward, get straight line back. But you notice how he didn't turn it real sharp at the beginning?
Right.
He just let it gradually start bending.
Till they get at that angle.
Yep. You want it more of an arc instead of a straight line shot to that fourth dash.